The forward slash character is typically used as the delimiter for the substitute command. But you can use any other single byte character other than alphabets, digits, backslash, double quote, or the pipe character. This is useful if you want to include a forward slash character in the search pattern or the replacement string. Let's see a simple example. Suppose you want to replace this portion with these two characters. If you use the forward slash as the delimiter, then you will have to escape every forward slash character in the search pattern as well as in the replacement string. So such occurrences of escaping forward slash character is also known as leaning toothpick syndrome. So instead of this complication, you can simply use a different delimiter character so that you don't have to escape these forward slashes. So substitute, and instead of forward slash, let's say we can use the comma character, and then our input to replace is the string, and then our replacement is tilde, which is a meta character, so you have to escape that, and then a forward slash character. The I flag is to ignore case. So this string should get replaced as this output.